Moshi, I just want to tell you something. I could listen and understand everything. I know everything. Grammar, rules, everything. And I listen properly and I follow them. I could understand them. But when I have a conversation, when I speak to someone, I couldn't speak bluntly. And one of the unfortunate thing is I'm so frustrated at that time. My mind got blank out at that time. Please do something, Moshi. Alright, no worries, Julia. I'll teach them now to you. I'll fix it for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another interesting English learning video. And today I'm gonna share with you just 2 tips to answer this common question. I could listen and understand everything, but I couldn't speak and I'm so frustrated. Fear is coming through, nervousness is coming through already, and what should I do now? So I will answer this question in only 2 tips that will change your life to English, and you could speak English so fluently as I think so. And this 2 tip I use in my daily life to learn English, and this is my experience tips. So it's my secrets that I share with you. So let's get on to the video. So first tip is to change your settings to English. So change settings to English actually means you'll brush your teeth in English, you'll wake up early in the morning in English, you'll study in English, you'll do everything in English by making small sentences. That will help you to increase your English level, beginner to intermediate to advanced, and actually that will be so fantastic if you start creating new small sentences. If you did it, it will change your life to English. Suppose I wake up early in the morning. I'm an early bird. Do you know what early bird actually means? I'll share it with another video. That ain't actually. Keep watching my video until you find one of the video that I'm gonna share with early bird cut as well as night outcomes. Okay? Please subscribe to my channel if you want those videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you do. Okay, so actually as I'm telling, change your life to English settings actually. Because many people have this question, how to create an environment, I have to make it by myself. It's not ready for you, okay? I have to just made it by yourself. It's not a thing that will be ready for you. I don't get environment that I couldn't speak. It's completely wrong. Because it is just the excuse. If you have that, it's my wrong, it's my mistake, I couldn't create my environment, that's all. That's correct that you couldn't create. If you could create, then you should easily learn English, okay? It's just great. It's just a great step to change your settings to English. Number 2, actually what I have to do is, a good listener is a good speaker. This quote is famous worldwide, and we should follow this quote too, because you should listen like a child. When I'm from Bangladesh, and recognize when a child learns speaking, when speaking in Bengali in other language, they started to listen. They started to input their mind into Bengali thing. Then when they get older, then they learn different types of Bengali words, this types of thing. But they could speak Bengali a lot and other language a lot. That's the point. If you listen a lot, then you speak a lot. That's the output. That's nothing. I have to speak a subject, I have to listen to that subject, okay? So you listen to the subject. Suppose how could you learn English? Then you should give a speech in front of mirror. This is so recommended. Because do you have any partner? If you have, you should practice. But if you don't have, no excuse. Just go in front of the mirror and try speaking. These 2 tips will help you a lot. And these 2 tips is just the mini steps. but it will help you to your whole English journey that I use for my daily life conversation, daily life skills in English. This too, it's just amazing. I guarantee you that. But if you shouldn't practice, then it will get now Apple. Change your settings in English. If you're a good listener, or be a good speaker. Okay, so until the next video, bye bye.